Yo, so I opened ChatGPT today and got hit with this stupid message saying our systems have detected unusual activity coming from your system. And bro, for like 2 seconds, I genuinely thought my account was done. Like I was already imagining myself making a new account and starting over for no reason. And the crazy part is, this error looks way more serious than it actually is. Most of the time, it's literally just your VPN messing everything up. Chill, first thing you want to do is check if you have a VPN turned on. If you see a VPN enabled, just turn that thing off. And if you have an actual VPN app open on your PC, then disconnect from that too. After that, click this little icon beside the website URL, go to cookies and site data, then click manage on device site data. You'll see ChatGPT right there. Now just hit the little delete icon, and if the colors suddenly change because you're in dark mode, don't panic. Your browser isn't dying, it's fine. Then refresh the page, and honestly, sometimes that alone fixes everything instantly. But if ChatGPT still wants to act dramatic, here's the stupidly simple fix that somehow works almost every time. Turn your internet off for a few seconds. That's it. Literally disconnect your Wi-Fi, wait a couple seconds, reconnect again, and open ChatGPT. For phone users, do the same thing with airplane mode. I swear, half these tech problems get solved by just bullying your internet connection a little bit. And after that, the error usually disappears and everything goes back to normal, like nothing even happened. So now, if this weird orange warning randomly jump scares you again, you already know what to do instead of sitting there thinking you got banned from AI forever. Anyway, that's pretty much it.